Hola amigos and amigas. In English it means what's up everybody. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy GP, Short Guy Productions. And here's my wife over there. Babe.
What?
Are you a Short Guy fan?
No.
Oh. Well, we're back with another video. And today I have somebody returning. And let's see if we find them. This person. Still didn't even bring his car. Oh my god. Is he out there? Yes he is. Yes he is. Right there. There's that guy over there. Get it. Yo, where's your G? Oh my god. Yeah, at least it's a Nissan. Yes, he's back. He's gonna do some work on my car. And
my main goal is to blow up and then act like I don't know nobody.
what's up guys? We're back here with another video. Your boy JP, Short Guy Productions. And outside, I got my boy Carl. He's out there because I'm gonna get some work done to the car. I got my assistants there. Hold on one second. Babe, are you a Short Guy fan?
No.
No love, again.
Yeah.
Once again, no love.
I can't believe that. That's this.
Got my assistants. Thank you, Haley. Follow me, follow me.
What's up, man? What's up?
Hello, how are you?
Good. How are you?
It's been like a month.
Long drive. Yeah.
See, it's not raining over here.
How are you?
I don't know if we're gonna do the whole thing or
What do you mean?
partial. I don't know.
Oh no, we're getting everything done.
Oh, okay, good.
No partial.
This is what I got.
Oh, okay, perfect.
When it gets busy.
Finally get to do this.
Yeah, man, been a while.
Definitely. I literally came from what do you call it, Jeremiah's right now.
Oh, you want to help him out?
Yeah, that's what I just
Okay,
knocked out.
cool.
I'm like, I should have enough
See,
time.
it worked out.
Yeah, kind of. Kind of. I dried up a little bit with the AC.
Oh, it was raining over there when you?
No, dude, it was just sweating because it was
Oh,
hot.
I know it's hot. Bro. Yeah. So guys, what we're gonna do today? We're gonna change the fuel pump finally,
Yes.
and I bought a what is it, air fuel ratio?
The AFR gauge.
Yeah, that thing. Got
It's
that.
supposed to be the pod.
Yeah, that's.
That's a really tiny pod.
I always say it's supposed to be the same size. I don't know. Well, it was not then. I failed again. Well, guys, we're gonna change the fuel pump, and hopefully this fixes the issue of me being slow. I guess. I don't know.
Not that slow.
Yeah, and then after that, just go back to tomorrow and get it retuned. I should be all set. As per Carl, the mechanic. So let me show you what I got here. Bought this thing right here. Tells me the whole air fuel ratio thing, so I can know where my fuel air mixture is at. So I mean, it's pretty gonna. It's gonna look cool on my car.
You can put all your windows down with this.
It is down.
No. Oh.
I'm ahead of the game, brother. Gotta check this out.
Pop the hood real quick. I'm gonna release some pressure up front. Grab it. Release some pressure out here. E85, right?
Yes.
Okay, we're halfway good. Gosh, I miss the smell.
Your car was on the E85?
Yeah, before, yeah.
So are you putting it back too?
No, dude.
Huh?
Nah. I wish. I can't. I mean,
I thought you was gonna build your car
when
back
I'm
again.
spraying, yeah, definitely. I'm gonna use E to help me a little bit, but as of now, it's on 93. Taking it slow. Not trying to make a mess in your field.
Fuel pump's about to come out.
It's really tight spot. You know what's funny? It's not the fuel pump getting stuck. It's the little spring thingy on the side that's getting stuck.
It's finally out. Oh my god.
Sorry, wasting your beautiful E85.
I need all that, man. That's probably like $1. That's like $1 right there. Oh my god, even more.
No, because I have to open it up.
$2. $2.25.
Yeah, it's expensive nowadays.
Hey, you wanna say what's up to Carl?
No.
Hey,
I said hi.
let me say hi.
Hi.
Hey, hey,
Stop.
are you sure I got family? I know. Hey,
What?
open.
No, babe. No, I'm not. No.
Do you love me? At least do you love me? Huh?
No.
You don't even love me?
No.
Look at you.
Bye.
You're a hot fox.
Thank you. You just want me to say yes, that I'm a fan. I'm still not a fan.
You're sexy, baby.
Thanks.
That's why I love you. My little midget. But watch out, this car's coming.
I know.
All
I'll be back.
See you later. She loves me. She has to. Well, guys, I'm not gonna bore you with this whole tutorial thing. So this is gonna be the before, and this is the. Now look at the size difference. Holy man! I thought it was the same size.
No, sir.
Wow. Yeah, there's a big difference. Big difference.
Yep.
And this is the after. Well done, Carl.
Thank you, sir.
You better work. Well, I'm gonna call Cheyenne on you.
Oh, God, no.
Alright. Let's see. Here.
It primed.
Damn, Carl, what you trying to do to my car, man?
Nah, man, it was an accident. I didn't know you had my car.
This guy's trying to make my car smell.
I was actually trying not to. We did all of this not to, and then last minute.
Damn, Carl, you moved too quick for me. I didn't even get to record this.
Holy cow.
A lot of work.
Oh, yeah. Definitely.
Well, it's a lot of work because of this tight space here.
Yeah, man, it's like not even a lot of work.
Look how he's look how he's getting out. Oh man, that is a tight
Big
space.
dudes are not supposed to work on food, I swear.
That is a tight space. Now imagine me trying to work in there. It would have not worked out at all.
Just open the seat. That's what I usually do.
Oh yeah, definitely. That's the only way to do it, bro. Look at that. And like that, it's done.
Fuel pump stuff. Now,
Good work.
white band time.
Gotta do the white band now.